So highs today, low 50s. We are not going to warm up. We'll have lots of clouds, maybe some drizzle here and there. As we go into Sunday, still chilly, waking up tomorrow morning, 30s and 40s. Cold weather preps. I put that in there because we have got to do it this weekend. Monday's not going to be the day to do it. It's a holiday weekend. I know this is nothing, the last thing you want to think about, but you know, it's going to get cold as we go into late Monday and Tuesday. And then by Monday, starting in the 40s, dropping through the day, and an 80% chance, certainly of cold rain, but also maybe some ice and sleet, especially north of the lake. So we go from the 50s today, tomorrow, 40s Monday, to the 30s during the afternoon, to barely getting out of the upper 30s on Mardi Gras Day. Going to be one of our coldest Mardi Gras we've seen, going all the way back to 1899, believe it or not. All right, so here's what it looks like on Precision Cast. Today we're fairly dry. We've got cold conditions, but the freezing line, that white line, is still to our north of Macomb. By tonight and tomorrow morning, perhaps some freezing rain and drizzle in central and northern Louisiana. That'll spread over into Mississippi. We're still above freezing, though, staying above freezing all weekend long. And then as we go into Monday, that's when we'll finally get that push of cold air, and we'll also get that moisture in here. So by Monday morning, notice, big storm system, snow and ice to our west all the way down to the Texas coast. Watch the freezing line right here. Comes on in as we go into Monday afternoon, but we start to see that rain move in with it. So this is when we could start to see that transition to perhaps some sleet and freezing rain. The snow, I don't think, is going to get to us at this point. It's going to stay to our north. We just don't have the right conditions for it. But that will continue to move on through. As the temperatures drop, the rain is moving in and moving out. So it's still all about timing, but right now we could certainly see some freezing rain. Even a glaze on the North Shore would cause problems, of course, and then that heading on out. Now, if we did see any snow flurries, it would be late Monday night to early Tuesday, but it doesn't look like that would amount to much. Look at that, waking up and going into Mardi Gras morning, it is going to be cold. So looking at the freezing rain potential, I think that's going to be our biggest concern here in the south, and especially as you get closer and closer to the coast compared to northern Louisiana. The biggest impacts are going to be really from Baton Rouge, from a line up to Macomb and Hattiesburg, and to the northwest of there. This is where you're going to have the possibility for ice accumulation on limbs, power lines, maybe some power outages. So this will be that issue. Now, as you get into the pink here, so the North Shore going down towards the river parishes and getting very close to the bayou and parishes and the metro, could be dealing with travel problems. It takes barely any freezing drizzle to cause problems on roadways and bridges if the conditions are right. So we need to watch that. And then here in the pink, you're less likely to see any freezing rain, but there is a chance, a low chance, but you need to watch it, and that does include Mississippi and the New Orleans metro going down towards Houma and Thibodaux. So this looks like mainly an ice event if it does happen. Look at your overnight temperatures Tuesday morning, teens on the North Shore. I now have us to a hard freeze in New Orleans, so it doesn't matter where you live, all the way down to the coast or getting close to the coast. Everyone needs to be preparing for pipe bursting weather at this point waking up. So north and west of the lake, anywhere between 15 to 19 degrees. Mardi Gras morning, South Shore 24 to 29 degrees. And to be safe, I would protect any of those pipes if you've had problems in the past, those types of things. Also, by the way, aren't you glad you aren't going to be standing on a parade route Mardi Gras morning? This is what it's going to feel like at 7 a.m. The single digits, getting close to negative temperatures as you get north of Macomb. This is some cold air, and it's the coldest air we have seen in quite a few years. So all eyes are going to be on Monday, temperatures plummeting, maybe some ice, some sleet, especially north of the lake and as you get towards Baton Rouge. And then Mardi Gras Day, highs in the upper 30s and low 40s before another storm system blows in by Wednesday and Thursday.